In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add booking system. By the end, you'll have a booking tool added to your Wix site so visitors can reserve time with you in just a few clicks. We'll keep this simple and focused using the official Wix Bookings app. First, open your site in the Wix editor. Start from your Wix dashboard, choose the site you want to work on, and enter the editor. You'll know you're in the right place if you see your page layout with the design toolbar along the left side. Give the editor a moment to load fully so everything is responsive. If you manage multiple sites, double-check you're editing the correct one before you continue. This step makes sure you're working in the live project you intend to enhance with bookings. Next, look to the left panel and click Add Apps. This opens the Wix App Market, which is where you can extend your site's functionality with trusted tools. If you don't see the left panel, make sure the Editor tab is active in your browser and that you haven't zoomed in so far that the toolbar is hidden. The App Market is designed to help you quickly find what you need, and it includes both Wix-made and third-party apps. In the App Market, use the search bar to look for Wix Bookings. Type the name clearly and press Enter. You should see the official Wix Bookings app appear near the top. It's created by Wix, which means it integrates smoothly with your site and is maintained by the platform. Take a second to confirm you're selecting the official app by Wix so you get the most reliable experience, along with consistent updates and support. You can also glance at the overview to understand what the app provides, such as accepting appointments and managing availability, but we'll keep our focus on adding it for now. When you're ready, click Add to Site. The editor will process the addition and place the booking element onto your page. This may appear as a booking widget or section that you can see directly on the canvas. You might notice a short progress indicator while it installs. That's normal. Once it's on the page, you've successfully added a booking system to your site. From here, you can explore the app's settings later to tailor services, availability, and notifications to your needs. For now, the key step, adding the booking capability, is complete. That's it. You opened your site in the Wix editor, used Add Apps, searched for Wix Bookings, and clicked Add to Site. Your booking system is now in place and ready for you to customize when you're ready.